So if you remember from yesterday, I had two pad saws, one a new old stock and one old generally used one, and I'm going to restore both today. So the new old stock one, including blade and box, was £8.50 plus £4.40 postage. That's £12.90, which is about $15. And this old one, just come on its own, was £1.80, about $2. And the bench press drill here, that was £15 and a local collection. Okay, so this is the older pad saw handle. I'm going to now take all the paint off of it using the non-woven 3M wheel. It's not too difficult actually with this. Okay, so this is the results from the 3M non-woven wheel. It does leave it a bit satiny finish. And you can see there that it's got exactly the same fault through the top as the one that come out the new old stock. Right, now I'm going to use a couple of coats of super glue on the little knurled handle, the little knurled wheel there that does up the tightness on the blade that you fit. A couple of coats of that, and while they're drying between coats, I took it back to the polishing wheel and give it a grade 1 sunglasses polish. I think finally I've got hang of the polishing wheel. Okay, so we'll do the scoutcrafter type reflection test on this. And that's not too bad at all, is it? Okay, just have a final look around these because now it's time to move on and refurbish the new old stock one that's never been used. Okay, now to work on that new old stock one. It's a little tiny bit worse, so I'm putting it on the fibre wheel here to take that original factory error out of the end. And now once again onto the 3M woven wheels to take the rest of the paint off, because it does it without damaging, unlike the wire wheel. Regardless of how soft it would damage this. So it comes off lovely and easy with this, and ready for painting. So just a reminder, here's what they both look like before. And here's the fault the new old stock one actually come with. So on the far right is the nice shined up one. I think I like that one the best. Then there's the next one where I've took the error out, and I'll just roll this round. I've finished this in right smooth silver spray, and you can see here I've took out that error and resprayed it, and that's come out nice. That's the original blade that come in the box, and there's a picture of it on the side of the box. So that was a good find. The original box, original unused blade, and a nice revamped and taken the error out of that handle. On now to the fabrex hand drill. This cost me just £5 and £3.50 postage. So that's £8.50 in total, about $10. And here it is, all finished. So I stripped this down, took everything apart, give it a good wire wheel of polish. The handles have been finished in true oil gun stock, and the fabrics in the middle obviously has been repainted. I think that's come out quite nice. Well, I'm not sure what I enjoyed more from These, I think I enjoyed restoring the original no old stock Eclipse pad saw handle to a better condition than it come in the box. But I like the result of this one. This one does look nice. Okay, that's all for today. Bye for now.